Okay, y'all, so we got to the B&B, but I gotta show y'all. My camera is still messed up, so I'm on my... Well, it's not messed up. Let me not say that. My camera's not messed up, but... I need my phone. And we have our valet person taking all of the stuff out. Let me stop doing my friend like that. She get in the suitcases. And she's such a good friend.
You want me to leave your cups in here?
But we're gonna show y'all.
I took everybody's suitcase out.
Thank you. What mine's at? You don't gotta carry mine's up the thing.
I guess for her to show my
It's mine. Let me show y'all what I'm wearing. I don't think y'all can see. But I got this set.
everybody's suitcase out. Thank y'all.
That was Naya.
Wig. I'm recording my phone right now until I get my camera now. It's been a lot going on. I'm trying to get my camera, so yeah. Oh, we got a cute ass mirror. Scoot over. Oh, my bad. Okay, y'all.
You gotta turn it the other way. Yeah. She talking about shh. We trying to help her.
Okay, let me show. Oh. Should I just zoom out or no?
No, you don't have to.
You can, but you don't have to. Okay, we are here. Let me show y'all.
This is not included in the B&B.
So this is supposed to be a good.
Not included.
And it's so nice. Oh, this is the first bed. Why don't you use your DVD outfit?
I don't have an SD card.
This is the first one.
Oh, this one got a cute thing too.
Real nice. Thank you. This is the bathroom.
Y'all, look at this wall. Somebody just texted me. Oh, I gotta try to make sure I don't fall over that little thing when I'm drunk. Because y'all look outside.
Okay, the bedroom is outside somewhere. Or it don't matter what we try. The fifth bedroom is outside?
Thank ya. They got a, I think that's a jacuzzi. I don't know. What thing in it? The selfie stick? I mean the stick part? I just wanted to see if it was gonna work. Y'all say hey to my vlog. We're on.
Hey y'all, we are currently in Montego.
Oh,
It's alright.
Oh, wait.
You gotta learn how to. They still can't. You got the little face thing on, but it's okay.
oh, I need to turn it off. Okay, y'all. The camera is back on. I'm about to go get some liquor. We're in the Yams. Looking for the hoochie denny.
You don't want to just let me.
My
go
daughter
all the way
need a
because
new
you know
puppy.
We like to think about being mischievous. I'm getting calm.
But I just wanted to show y'all that we finna get some liquor and that a bad bitch is bad vlogging after 10 years. Okay, y'all, so I'm trying to fix my microphone before I go out there, but I'm probably not gonna end up knowing what's going on with it, but I'm gonna show y'all my outfit. I had on some socks with some heels, but I was just like for a cute video. But I got my Dolce & Gabbana slides, and then this outfit from Shein, and yeah, I don't know why it's not looking up. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just now working this camera, but yeah. YouTube, please don't I'm about to demonetize this video. Cut water. Because I feel like my drunkenness is gone.
Definitely is. Baby, you better charge your camera.
I'm trying to charge my camera. Tiara's phone is on the charger.
Oh.
Tiara, your phone done charging? Cause my thing is blinking red.
Is it over there with her bag? You gave it to the man before you got on? No, where I put the camera at?
Yeah.
It's right here.
Oh, it's right here, Naya. Yeah.
And this the birthday girl.
Hey, what that was that? Don't know who ever touched his phone.
Don't know who ever touched his phone. You better ask about the last bitch that tried to touch his phone. Don't know bitch ever try to touch this phone right here. Don't know bitch ever try to touch this phone.
Y'all think that is?
I can't get on your love on, baby. I just gotta get on your fuck on, baby. When you want that two shot, need more stuff, baby.
Probably not. Should I take pictures too?
Yes, you should. We're in Miami.
Yeah, I think this should look cool.
Hold on. Wait. Okay, I got it on. Look at that. Angle it. There we go. Stay just like that. Hold on. Okay. It really look dark. Cute. Okay.
You think I should just take them over there?
Yeah.
Okay. Why did they all that talking about the food?
Oh. They finna eat?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm taking the pictures.
Oh, my bad.
You good?
Oh, we're not even supposed to be on a boat with that shit, with that on our feet. With what?
Yeah, with y'all shoes on.
Baby, the shoes is like, y'all
Hold on,
need to
wait.
take out. Yeah. 22 too hot handle.
Uh-huh. Next pose.
Why don't you put that as a song? But I mean, that would probably be better in Jamaica. Now that I think about it.
These are cute. Are you gonna post these?
You better. More than likely not. So what the hell you taking pictures?
There we go. Now we talking.
Hey, they like what they seeing, girl. I know that's right.
Doesn't all of my trust. No pain, we don't trust them. Mother on that shout engine.
What is it?
My fucking mud bun lean silk.
I like that.
Don't know what they bought me, no, they got
Let me see it again.
pills. I'm gonna pull off on that shout engine. Reading my fender. I'm a motherfucker. Just drink crack toe. Stay deep like the lead to the side. Ooh, fuck on that perk. I love it.
Hold on, y'all.
I'm in that pussy like.
She said this why I got a baby now.
Back and I'm like, I'm
Hold on.
girl coming out of snout.
Yeah, we gonna take our shine. Ready?
It's 10:27, but we are literally arriving to the airport after a long night.
Is this the airport over here? I'm not sure.
Okay, y'all, so we made it through. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I'm starving. I don't remember the last time I ate. I think yesterday, the last time I ate was literally, I want to say 24 hours ago. The last thing I had was Subway, and that was before we even got to Miami. And I'm starving, but I need something in my system like ASAP. No Rocky. Which granted, there was food on the yacht that we was on yesterday. But baby, I was too tore up. Like, I probably had 2 meatballs, and the meatballs were so good. Those meatballs were so good, y'all. Like, I'm really reminiscing on those meatballs. Like, I was so excited to eat. It was macaroni, rice, meatballs. I was so ready to eat. But hopefully I can get something to eat before we board. We're supposed to board at, I think, 11. And it is currently 10:57. So, do y'all think I'm gonna get something to eat? Well, we board at 11:47. So that's less than an hour. I think I can get something to eat. I need something to eat. Oh, and this just smells like food. I can't even go for some pizza at this time. Like, I'm starving. And it smells so good. Oh my God, it smells so good. I'm such a fat ass. But I don't care. Like, my feet are fucking killing me. Oh, I did not mean to cuss. I need to stop cussing, y'all. That's one of my things that I want to work on. I really want to be that girl that just does not cuss.
Once outside, pull the tab to inflate your vest or blow into the red tube. In the water, a light on your vest will automatically illuminate. If necessary, an infant life vest will be distributed by a crew member. See your safety card for more details on how to use it. We will be dimming the cabin lights for takeoff. Individual reading light controls are at each seat.
Ladies and gentlemen, American Airlines welcomes you to Montego Bay. It is 11 minutes after 1. For your safety and the safety of the...
Guys, we made it. I don't know why it's not showing. But we made it. Oh, I'm sorry. But we made it. Because, I don't know, my passport is, the little immigration thing, it's not working. So, I gotta go see an officer for that. So, we're getting our Bob Marley's made. It's vanity, but it says I have it. My phone is literally not working. I need me a drink. I need me something. Oh. Look at the drink.
Which one, the double shot?
I have to give it to you on the side. I could have put it inside. It's gonna be too watery, so I'm gonna give it to you on the side.
Okay. Yes, honey. Tiara, it's a drink.
Why are you not recording?
Nice. There we go.
Oh, okay. So we just got here. We had got some food too.
No, we right here.
Oh,
Oh no.
what's the AC?
It's okay, I'm gonna have it running for you. Don't worry. It's gonna be running in a second.
Okay. He said he's gonna turn it on. Before y'all, he said he's gonna turn it on.
No, I ain't talking about that smoke about them bad. I thought we was gonna bring up. This is cute. And it's three. It's three. What you call it? And it got speakers.
Get at me, boom boom.
This is so nice.
Yeah, like you just said, oh, this is ugly.
How deep is the pool?
I want to go swimming. Are we gonna go swimming right now?
Please, I'm about to jump
I
in.
don't even know how deep it is. Y'all can swim?
I'm about to get in the pool.
Who you telling? I'm hot.
It's kind of a bit.
Oh, maybe I don't need to be back here. This is so cute. Okay, I'm about to show y'all upstairs. It's so many bathrooms. This is the outside. I need to go get my phone so I can contact Xfinity because I don't know why my phone is not working. I had a messing hole. I had a bitch's bro. All right, what a pool. I need to jump in. I'm hot. Oh, muy caliente. Whew. But it's hot. Oh. Whew. I tried to be cute, but I can't. Okay. The clothes gotta go. This outfit has to go. It was cute for the airport, but I'm hot. I can't.
No.
At the view.
We gotta go to the liquor store.
Hold on, it's a liquor store. That's cologne. That's cologne. She's so funny.
Never mind. I was like, baby, you want some cologne? But never mind. I was like, laugh at. Yeah. The people here are so. Yeah. I don't know what
This the second gift. So I'm gonna show y'all the outfit for tonight. We're about to go to the beach, and we're having dinner on the beach. I need to charge my camera, or else I won't be recording. But this is how it looks. I'm fixing my hair right now, which I should have been doing, but I was filming videos. But okay, this is something of what it looks like. With thank you. But yeah, we're just getting ready. And it's so crazy because I don't think me and Naya planned on the matching, but we're matching. But we're about to go ahead. Well, I'm about to put y'all on a charger. So I'll get back with y'all. Y'all. So we are at the dinner. And you got the drink menu?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Where's the hookah?
Let me see the drink menu.
I can take these shoes off now.
Yeah. I like to drink with Treasure because Treasure is my mate. I like to drink with Treasure because she gets it down in 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
That's disgusting.
I know now you're gonna be able to.
Don't do that, bro. Don't do me like that, bro. Can I get recovery process? I already took like a, you feel me? Let's do yours first.
But mine ain't no welfare.
Let mine come down. You ready?
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah.
Why you look sad?
I'm tired.
Me too. I'm not even gonna lie.
Okay, liquor gonna wake you up.
I hope it does because I'm tired.
1, 2, 3.
I like to drink with Haley.
Haley is my mate. Haley is my mate. 8, 7, 6. Damn!
4, 3, 2, 1. I know that's right.
Girl, what the fuck?
That's good.
What kind that is? It's like passion fruit or something?
No, it's tequila sunrise.
Y'all look completely different. I don't know.
Okay. 1, 2.
Wait, you don't start drinking now. Because Naya is my mate. I like to drink with Naya because she gets it down in 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, that was actually a lie.
Night 1.
She definitely did. Well, I had my cheeks folded in trying to drink all that shit. My cheeks folded in.
Okay, y'all. So right now it is 17. I'm talking about 17. 7:44. I'm about to get ready. I think today we're doing bamboo. Well, I don't think I know. We're doing a bamboo raft and a party boat. I'm about to take my shower. And get ready, but I'm about to put y'all back on the charger.
I don't know what we're doing. Haley left her camera outside. Say hey. Come on, what?
How far are you? We've been leaving out now. And then this. I don't know how to do that part.
Come on.
We all say tap.
I just got the regular beef one. Okay, y'all. So it's frozen. Yeah, right now we about to get ready to do the bamboo wrap, but I had to eat something because it's literally 10:43. We've been up since 7 and we have not ate nothing. So
What are we supposed to be doing? I got my phone.
oh, we're taking a picture?
Where's my phone? Oh, you can do something. I just got Sam vlogging.
Alright, so guess what? You girls just gonna do a shout out Shampoo Boss Stores and
Shout out to Shampoo Boss Stores. Woo! Oh no, we gotta redo this. Oh no, we gotta redo this. We gotta redo this. Shout out to Shampoo Boss Stores.
drink it.
Great. Woo! Okay.
No, it's not gonna go back though. You gotta hold it. Alright, so you and you gonna go in one raft.
Am I missing anything? I ain't know I'll be recording.
Playing with me either. Wait, I'm holding it for you. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, it's already recording.
No, the hell you ain't.
You finished already?
Is it blurry?
Don't take no driving.
Wait, I ain't even.
The bad influence is driving it.
No, okay, come on.
Don't let go of me now.
Y'all, they got me riding by myself. But I'm finna get my hookah and I'm finna see if I can bring my camera.
Bitch, I'm from Memphis. What
We're outside in Jamaica right now.
Shampoo
Boss Tours.
Big C, MG, wipe me down. Small niggas, tall niggas. Watch your bitches twerk it to the beat. If you heard this song playing shit at night, my nigga ain't home. Let's go. I pull my bitch shots.
We just got drinks.
Right now, we are about to get on the party boat. We just got off of the bamboo raft, and I had to record on my phone because I did not bring my camera. Nothing's gonna happen to my camera.
Life's good.
Yes. How do you feel?
I love it. I'm having a ball out this bitch.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you.
Y'all look. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. We got big booty in the camera. Bow. It's what? Okay, y'all, we're on the boat. And then we are on our second drink. You say hey, Treasure. Yeah.
I still ain't finished my first one. It's right there. What's wrong with me?
Yes, I'm on my second one. Can't really vlog as much because this music playing, but I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna try to just silence it. I'm literally gonna go without my life. Like, I got my phone in my armpit, a drink in the other hand.
Okay, I'm recording. Yeah, I'm recording. Y'all, they done got in the water. Oh my God. Hold on. Why I can't zoom in on your camera, Haley?
Okay, let me know when you can.
No, it's on. I'm trying to zoom in.
Y'all, the birthday girl fell asleep and we all took off our clothes and now we just have on PJs and we are thirsty, starving, and not putting that in the vlog. But my baby, my girl done did her lip liner.
You feel me? I was ready
She
to
was
fuck
ready
them
to
up with my
skin me
early.
boom boom.
Yeah, like where I'm going with my early 2000s set at now without feeling like
Yeah, because that was cute as fuck, no shade.
Yeah, because now we're going to
Good morning. It is day 3 in Jamaica. 2:03 in the morning. Today we're going on the horseback. We're going horseback riding and then ATV and zip lining. So fun. I think I showed the clip last night. We were supposed to go to the club, but the weather girl fell asleep. Are you excited?
Yes, I'm always excited.
Do you always go? Have you went zip lining before?
No.
For real? None of y'all went zip lining before? That shit is scary. But you're not scared of nothing.
Yes, I am.
Girl, that's junk. I went zip lining in New Orleans. When I tell you I cried on the way up.
Oh, I should bring my medical license.
I thought you did.
I did. I'm saying like I should bring them.
Yeah, you should.
I gotta see if they charge up because they might.
Charge them now.
I don't charge my phone.
I'm gonna show y'all the fit for today. Don't mind the room. But I have on this Jamaica top with these. But y'all know what's crazy? This was really a Brazil set. But I like the bottoms, so I put the bottoms on with it. And then I have on my water shoes because the horseback riding is in the water. And yeah, it's so beautiful outside today. Probably one of the most beautiful days that we had since we've been here. But like, oh my God. I do not want to leave. I do not want to leave, guys. I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? United States. Like, yeah. But I'm gonna pull out the camera when we're actually horseback riding or doing something. Can y'all guess where we are? Finally, no rice and peas. Can you hold this? Yeah. I just gotta. You can record yourself. I don't care. Hey y'all. We finally are at KFC. Gonna get everything. I'm gonna get everything. I'm hungry. And I took a shot right before we got here. And I'm feeling mine. Definitely feeling mine. Definitely gonna take another one once I eat. And yeah. I'm gonna do a mukbang. I should have bought my mic.
Why you didn't bring your mic? Can I hear you?
Yeah, they can hear me real clear when I wear my mic. Okay, y'all. So after an hour of waiting for our food, we finally got it. I got the crispers with some French fries and a biscuit. What you got? No, I don't feel like pulling it out.
I got mashed potatoes.
I deleted them.
And corn and French fries.
What you got? Is it good?
I don't know. I'm eating it.
Y'all, I don't know. Maybe it's just the way we come off, but
It's good, though.
them people was in there playing in our face the whole time. And everybody was laughing. I do.
I asked her for a large fry like 4 times. She walked out. I got 2 pieces of chicken with some mashed potatoes, 1 spicy, 1 regular. Just in case it was a little bit spicy.
Was it spicy?
I could have got 2 spicy because I like how the spicy chicken tasted better.
Okay, y'all. Okay, y'all.
I'm finna go stand in the shade. I'm sorry.
Okay, so I think we need to get our driver's license. Can we show a picture?
We gotta show them. We gotta bring our license.
A photo? Yeah.
The photo?
Yeah. Okay. But right now we are about to go on the horseback. Yeah, so these are the horses. And the horses are in the deep part of the water. So I'm a little scared. And I'm so scared. I'm so scared. He said he got me. Okay, I gotta let y'all go. So scared. He keep telling me to stop saying I'm scared. How you gonna tell me I'm not scared?
No, because he's the one protecting you, right?
He said he's protecting me, guys. Look at everybody else. We ready? Okay, y'all. We all have on matching fits.
Hey, y'all.
And we're going zip lining. I went zip lining in New Orleans, and that trip was so scary. So hopefully, it's not scary this time. Because y'all seen how I acted when I was on them horses. So hopefully it's not. Is it tall? Huh? Is it high?
No, it's not that high.
Okay. He said no. Say hey.
Hello. Fun size. What's up, fun size?
What's up?
Yeah, what's your name? What's your name, fun size?
Haley.
Haley. Alright, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Clap that, clap that, clap that. That's what I'm talking about.
Okay, y'all, so we just finished horseback riding and zip lining. I was terrified. I didn't even want to pull out my camera to vlog, so I had everybody else vlog for me. But now we're going on ATV. Yeah, y'all, I was so scary. Like, you know me in real life, I'm scary of heights, not of you hoes. Okay, y'all, so we on the ATV. What is that, a pig? Y'all, look at the pig. There's so many animals. We just got back from all of our excursions. We kind of freshened up, and now we're going to take our shots. We're going to take our shots.
Can we take our shots on the balcony?
Yeah, it'll be better lighting.
Overlooking the hills?
Yeah, we can.
Because the ox ain't overlooking hills right now.
Oh, I know that's right. You snapped with that.
She said, "Cause the what?"
The ox ain't
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I'm
not going to pass the fuck out from me. I'm scared.
Oh,
I might just have to thug it out. I'm going to just thug it out.
By the time you get drunk, you probably ain't even gonna feel it.
Yeah, I was going to say, because I normally don't really take pain. Whatchamacallit. Ooh. Hold on, we'll take a shot real quick. I'm going to call you later. I got to report.
Okay, I'm about to take mine.
I gotta cut so much out. Okay. Ooh, I'm scared. I'm scared, y'all. I'm scared.
The ox ain't drinking no Don Julio on the balcony.
Saying that
You heard me? We drank all that?
Yeah.
I didn't think we was gonna drink the whole bottle.
That's why I'm finna do right now.
I didn't record you taking your shot.
I ain't taking another one either.
Okay. Y'all, Latricia said the ops ain't. What you said, Latricia?
The ops is not overlooking hills right now.
The ops is
Thank
not
you.
overlooking hills right now, and she said nothing but a motherfucking word, baby. You hoes ain't overlooking no hills.
They're definitely not.
We're back. We're back and we're about to eat and drink and get torn up before the club. It's a pre-turn up before the club. What am I gonna eat? I have no idea. I had a burger yesterday, but I don't think I want a burger again. But I'm gonna get it.
My bad. I ain't know it was sitting on me. We're speaking of the Devil Club.
I got a reason.
Hold on. My friend has to tell me something very important business, but I don't want you guys to know. Oh, very messy. Hold on, y'all. Okay, so she just told me what happened, but y'all. I'm gonna let y'all know what I'm finna get. No, boo, I was saying my memory card is slow. Oh, I got memory bullets for, and I got a couple minutes to record. But yeah, y'all, we're drunk. I'm definitely a little there. I had me a drink that has like 4 different liquors. So I'm definitely there. Let me turn my flash off. Y'all, look at my baby. Let me see my Let me see. I miss my baby. I miss my baby so much. Y'all, people don't talk about it. Like when you just had a baby, you try to go out and enjoy yourself. You just be missing your baby. Like, am I the only one? Am I the only one that miss my baby? Comment down below. Please, please comment. Like, if you don't comment on shit else, stop, pause, and comment down below that y'all be feeling just like me. Okay, y'all, so it is and we're about to go home. So I think this is gonna be the end of the vlog because I'm not really gonna record on the way home. It's not really nothing. It's not really nothing. But yeah, we got money to make.
What did she say beforehand? She was like,